Hey everybody, Jamie from the Marine Doctors YouTube channel, and I need for you guys to tell me which one of these engines you want to see rebuilt first. So I'll create a video obviously on putting it together from my box of parts in the other room, but is it going to be a 90, a white 115 Johnson, or a charcoal 115 Johnson? Or I even have over here that bad boy down there, that's a 100 Evinrude. So ideally, it's roughly the same to put them all together. Subtle differences maybe in the exhaust, but I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. 90, 100, or 115. Which one do you guys want to see? Let me know. And we'll get things underway. I'm still waiting on the pistons, so it's going to be a bit. Remember, the blocks are here. I'm still waiting on pistons. Anyway, see you guys in the next video.